that came from sorcery. We renounce all the benefits. We renounce all the characters, abilities that came through sorcery. We renounce, we renounce, we renounce, we renounce, we renounce, we renounce, we renounce. Someone say, I renounce. Say, I renounce. I renounce powers. I renounce. Say, every sorcery power assigned against my life, scatter now. I command every spell, enchantment, and incantation released against me to be destroyed. Every arrow of witchcraft fired into my life, come out. I break and lose myself from every covenant of sorcery, every satanic chain binding my mind, break by fire. Every satanic chain binding the mind of my sons, the mind of my children, break by fire. Every satanic chain binding my mind, break by fire. I break and lose myself and my household from every sorcery covenant, from every sorcery covenant, from every sorcery covenant. In the name of Jesus, I break every spell, enchantment,